Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore a QuickBooks backup. This process is essential when you need to recover your company data from a previous point in time, whether you're correcting a mistake or recovering lost information. First, you'll want to navigate to the gear icon in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This icon looks like a little cogwheel and serves as your gateway to all the system settings and administrative functions. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your account. From that drop-down menu, look for and click on Backup Company. This section is where QuickBooks stores all your previous backup files, giving you access to restore points from different dates and times. Once you're in the Backup Company section, you'll see the Backup option. Click on this to view your available backups. Now you'll see a Backup List drop-down menu displaying all your saved backups organized by date and time. This is important because it allows you to pinpoint the exact moment you want to restore your data to, browse through the list, and select the backup that corresponds to the date and time you need. Take your time here to ensure you're choosing the correct backup, as this decision determines what state your data will return to. After selecting your desired backup, click the Restore button to begin the restoration process. A pop-up sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. Click Next to proceed through this initial prompt. What comes next is crucial. You'll see a confirmation checkbox with a message that reads, "I understand that restoring overwrites all data in my company back to the specified date." This warning is there to ensure you understand that any changes made after your chosen backup date will be erased. Read this carefully, and if you're ready to proceed, check the box. Once you've checked the confirmation box, click Start Restore to initiate the data restoration. QuickBooks will now begin processing your backup file. This step requires patience, as the process can take up to an hour depending on how large your backup file is. Don't close your browser or navigate away during this time. When the restoration is complete, you'll see a checkmark or confirmation message appear on your screen. This indicates that your data has been successfully restored. Before moving on with your work, take a moment to review your company data and verify that everything reflects the state you wanted to restore to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.